Unlock your inner filmmaker and create stunning videos with Nano Banana, faster and easier than ever before. Let's dive right in. The first step is to ignite your creative spark and start a new project within Nano Banana. Simply click on the prominent New Project button. This will open up a fresh canvas for your video masterpiece. Next, give your project a clear and compelling title, a brief description to guide you, and then choose from a variety of predestined templates. These templates are fantastic starting points, offering structure and inspiration. Browse through the available templates whether you're aiming for a product demo, a social media clip, or a storytelling piece. There's a template here to suit your needs and get you going quickly. Once your project is set up, you'll land in the intuitive Nano Banana editor on your left. You'll find your asset library, where you can upload your own footage, images, and audio, or explore Nano Banana's extensive stock library. To build your video, simply drag and drop your chosen assets onto the timeline. This is where you'll arrange scenes, sequence your story, and control the flow of your content. Nano Banana offers a suite of powerful yet easy-to-use editing tools. Trim clips to perfection, split them for dynamic pacing, and add engaging text overlays to convey key messages or titles. Sound is crucial for impact. Explore Nano Banana's vast music library to find the perfect background track, or upload your own custom audio to truly personalize your video. Elevate your visuals with smooth transitions and eye-catching animations. Simply select an effect and apply it to your clips to create a professional and polished look. Working with others. Nano Banana's collaboration features make teamwork a breeze. Invite your team members to review, comment, and contribute to the project in real time. When your video is ready to shine, it's time to export. Choose your desired resolution and format to ensure your masterpiece looks amazing on any platform. And there you have it, a circumflex euros, a finished, engaging video created effortlessly with Nano Banana. Start telling your story today.